Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable spring ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring. You can go with the larger wreath ring if you choose to do so. I have 2-inch wire edge ribbon and different patterns. You can go with all solid, all plaid, or a mixture, kind of like I'm doing. I've done it multiple ways, so I'll link those videos in the description box down below. You can check them out and see which style you prefer. And scissors. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut my ribbon into 8-inch long pieces and I have cut my stems into thirds. What I'm going to do is take my ribbon and just crisscross the different patterns and colors. Just like that. And I'm going to scrunch it in the center. Take my stem and twist it a couple of times. Then flare out my ribbon just to make sure everything is visible. And I prefer wire edge ribbon just because you can manipulate it a little more, but you don't have to use wire edge ribbon if there's a pattern that you really like. I say definitely go for it. So I have this bundle here and I'm going to place it on the outer inner ring. Just like that, and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. And then the more bundles I get placed, the more I can maneuver and adjust it a little bit better. I'm just going to mix up the order of my bundles a little bit just to kind of make it nice and fun and whimsical. And I'm adding 4 pieces of ribbon to each bundle. But I'm changing which 4 pieces I add. Again, just to kind of make it more fun. You can see more colors and it's more visible. Alright, twist my stem. Flare out my bundle. And this one is going to go on the inner ring. And twist it a couple of times, then tuck it away. And again, they're going to move a little bit. That's okay. The more bundles you get placed, the more steady and stable it will become. Alright, so I'm going to continue going. I usually like to do 3 or 4 bundles in each section, but I kind of just see what it's looking like and go from there. I prefer to work with the 2 center rings because I feel like it makes a pretty decent sized wreath, but you can definitely go all the way to the outer ring and all the way to the inner ring if you choose to do so. And you can even use a larger wreath ring as well. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to start with 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections. And the good thing is I can always come back once I'm done. If I want it thicker and fluffier, I can go back and add another bundle to each section. So I'm going to start off with 3 because I feel like that's a pretty good size right there. Alright, so I'm going to get a couple of sections completed and show you what it's looking like. What it's looking like so far. So cute and precious. And I'm just alternating outer, inner, outer, outer, inner, outer, outer, inner, outer, all the way around. I'm going to finish up and show you what it's looking like. Bundles in each of my 6 sections with 4 pieces of ribbon in each bundle. You can definitely add in more or less, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. I'm just kind of flaring and fluffing it up now, but I feel like this makes a pretty decent sized wreath, so I think that's a good amount to go with. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. You can add an adorable sign to the center. You can add in some more embellishments throughout the wreath. Just have fun with it and make it your own.